So this video is about bloots and about how to get your BGLD, how to get your svBLOOTs, how to get your Bloot Doggs, how to get your skill stats, which are related to bloots. All that's going to be in this short video. I want to direct you to my YouTube channel, and you're going to go to playlist and you're going to go to NFT. There's one other video in there. This video will also be in that playlist. Okay, so on my Twitter page, I basically made tutorials, right? So you kind of have to scroll down. This is the newest one, how to get your Bloot Doggs. This is the address, right? This is the Etherscan address. When you go like this, you should have a MetaMask extension so that you could see your MetaMask. That's another thing you got to figure out. My friend helped me with that. I'm sure you could just YouTube it quickly. So I literally talk about connect to Web3, turn it green. Do this in Google Chrome, not Safari. Under 3, mint with Bloot, write the number of your Bloot. So that's what we're going to do right now. So this is the page that comes up. This is for Bloot Doggs. All of the things like BGLD, svBLOOTs, not right now, skill stats and Bloot Doggs, they're all community given things. So you're going to go here, connect to web, and then you're going to click MetaMask, and then you're going to press next, connect, right? This will turn green, okay? Then you're going to go to number 3, like I said, and you're going to type your Bloot number. Your Bloot number is the one that's right next to your Bloot, like Bloot number whatever, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that's what you type in here. You press right, and the gas that you pay should be under $100. Like if you're seeing something like $10,000, that means either the Bloot Dogg was already redeemed, or like I tried to push it in here and put the number in here and it got messed up. It gave me 10,000 gas. So then I tried this one because it said mint with Bloot, and finally my gas was $50. Okay, so that's Bloot Doggs. Now we're going to go to here. This is how you get your svBLOOT. So it's in the Discord link under contract links. So the Discord link, I think I have it somewhere in here. Okay, but this is what it looks like. This is the link, but I copy pasted it right here. Same procedure as BGLD. Connect to Web3, make sure it's green, press Bloot owner free claim and pay the gas. I paid $80. So you're going to open this up. You're going to scroll down here, Bloot owner free claim. That's what I wrote. And then you're going to press right and you're going to pay the gas, and it's going to show up in your MetaMask wallet. This is for svBLOOT. Just as a side note, like none of these svBLOOTs, skill stats, or Bloot Doggs are profitable in my opinion yet. They're all like 0.01. You know, you're pretty much getting the same value as the gas that's being paid. I tried to sell some of mine yesterday while it was 0.06. None of it sold. I only have 2 of my skill stats. And I have 1 svBLOOT because it's 1 per person. It's not 1 per, because I have 2 Bloots. So none of that shit worked, and it's not selling. But hopefully if like Bloot goes crazy, maybe it will. So these are just kind of like community gifts. However, the most important thing in the world, hold on, has been the BGLD coin, which was, and this is skill stat. Okay, so hold the train on the BGLD. We're going to talk about skill stat. Connect to Web3 like the others, click the 3rd one down, claim for loot, and enter your Bloot number. So when you open this up, you're going to turn this green, claim for loot, 3rd one down, and write your number. It's all pretty much the same way. You pay the gas. Do not obviously pay 10,000 gas or something crazy like 10,000, 20,000 gas means there's a problem. Okay. So that's how I got that one. And Um, Now we're going to talk about BGLD. Whoever was trying to send out, first of all, Bloot has only been on the market for like 3 days, okay? So this is all relatively new. So I first got Bloot on the first day it was released at night. The second day, which was yesterday, all of this stuff came out. And I figured it out by people from the community, by the Discord link, and I put it up on Twitter because I knew a lot of people were struggling. And I saw these fucking scammers asking for the 12 mnemonic words. Never give this out. This will give them access to your account. So do not ever do that. This one is, these are the steps to convert your BGLD coin that was gifted for being a Bloot owner. So, and this is the Discord link. Or I think here I actually wrote the Discord channel. Did I? Here. This is the Discord channel if you're looking for it. It's from September 4th. Once you're in the Discord channel, you go down on the side, right? And you're going to look for, I think it's called contract links. Is it here? Not welcome. Oh, it's in announcements. I'm sorry, announcements. And in announcements, here is the price of BGLD if you want to know what price it's at. And this is the Ether scan, just like before with the it's called a write contract. And so that's step one, right? You're going to open that up. Then it's going to look like this. Ether scan will pop up. There are 3 arrows that are important parts. The first arrow is the contract. You're going to take this and you're going to go to your MetaMask and you're going to scroll all the way down, view more. I'm sorry, assets. And you're going to go add token, custom token, add the token address, which is from here. And the symbol I think is BGLD. It might pop up automatically. I don't remember. Next. And that is how I was able to put BGLD over here, because that's how you're going to get it in your MetaMask. Then you're going to make this green like I showed you already. Claim for all owners. So I had 2 of these. I had 2 Bloots, 2 original Bloots, and that's why I got 20,000 BGLD coin, which is, it's 10,000 per person. Per person, per Bloot, I'm sorry. So I had 2, so I had 20,000. So here I talk about how you put the token onto MetaMask. This whole, like, I made like a whole, whatchamacallit, like a whole, what is this called when there's one big line of information? I don't know. A stream, a long tweet, I don't fucking know. So then I think that's it. As soon as you press write, so make sure it's in your MetaMask first, turn it green, and then press write. And if you're getting some weird gas number like 10,000, 20,000, that probably means that the BGLD is gone for that Bloot, because it's been out for a few days. It's been trading around. This BGLD stuff has already been out for 2 days now. So people could actually buy a Bloot, redeem the BGLD, and put it right back onto the market and sell it to somebody else without any BGLD connected to it. I knew that mine had it because I got it originally before any of this stuff came out. So, and that's pretty much it. As soon as you press write over here underneath this number 2, you press the number 2 and it's the write will come up, WRITE. Then you pay the gas, which should be probably $100 or less. The BGLD coin will show up in your MetaMask down here. That's how you know that you have it. And another thing that I learned from my friend, who is no futuristic, and you should be following him because literally I learned everything from him. I'm going to have his Twitter link in the description below. You check your activities to see whether something is pending or whether it's gone through or not. So it should show up right there. And then the thing is, you actually have to convert it if you want it to be in Ethereum. That's what I did. But because I used Uniswap, everything got fucked up. So I think I talk about that here also, is how to do the actual conversion. Let me see. Here. So because I did it on Uniswap, I lost $200 in gas because of the slippage tolerance. Um, so this was yesterday. Once you clicked right and paid for the gas to get your however many BGLD coin, it will show up in your MetaMask. Then you need to convert it. You don't have to convert it, but if you want to convert it to fiat currency, which is dollar bills or Ethereum or whatever, you have to convert it somehow. And I said, don't use Uniswap because I lost my money that way. So I was left with $400 in my account. And I went like this, swap BG, because I already had it in my MetaMask, right? BGLD coin 20,000. I wanted to swap it to Ethereum so that I could keep buying more NFTs. And I raised my slippage to 3% and I pressed review swap. And the next thing I knew, I had $3,400 in Ethereum in my fucking account, and I nearly fell over because this is the first NFT project where I can literally say my whole life has been changed. Like I've been a trader for 5 years and I have never made this kind of money, especially in one fucking day, right? And then do you really want to laugh at something? Okay, if I would have held my 20,000 BGLD coin until today, I would be sitting on $20,000. So let's not look at that for too long before I rip my fucking hair out. But so now these are the steps. They're all laid out beautifully on my Twitter. I'm actually going to have, instead of this video, the basics of NFT and looking at them like stocks, I'm going to have this video on my Twitter, so pinned so that everybody can find it. Please leave me a comment. Please like the video. Please subscribe to help my channel and share it with anyone that is interested in this stuff. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research. This has just been whatever in Bloot. 1 second. Another thing also is that once you do all these once you do all these connections, you want to disconnect. Okay, so disconnect. I only keep OpenSea to protect your account because all of these contracts are from outside of the community, so you want to protect your actual account. That's all for now. I hope that this helped, and have a good day, night. Bye.